God damn. What is going on, everybody? It's Renee here at RU Garage, and as you can see, it is another beautiful day here at the shop, and Edgar is getting in some of that energy. You know, the last vlog was the the 720. It has been many cars since then, so I've tried and recorded and I never finished, and then I record this and I didn't finish that video, and then I record that and I wouldn't finish that video. I literally had 2 Revueltos, a whole bunch of cars, man, and I didn't get to finish a single one. Now we are doing,
And a Super Ligera.
Yeah, and a Super Ligera. And now we're making a vlog on a G80. So I'm gonna ease y'all in, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ease y'all in. Y'all not get to see all the crazy exotics. First, we're gonna do the G80 first, because we're gonna start introducing G80s and a little bit of like the normal cars into the shop. We've been only exotic, and we want to start hitting a little bit different market. We have a little G80 fun stuff right here, which is a T51R turbo housing and some turbo inlets by Antimatter Performance. I personally have never seen this color in person. And the fact that it's paint is insane. All right, here it is. Crazy color. Sorry the camera fogged up in the last clip, but look at this. White carbon barrel wheels. Look at this faded paint. Bro, insane. This is a paint. It's not wrap, this is paint. Front mount intakes. Car already has downpipes and exhaust, electronic exhaust, carbon buckets. Oh man, such a nice car. Here's Edgar trying to get in. Matching OEM fire extinguisher. Gonna get some exhaust clips because I want to get some non T51R and inlet videos, show you what stock sounds like, because this car just has front mount intakes and that's it. So yeah, you can hear that front mount intake. Right now we're gonna pull off here. Alright, as you can see, it sounds pretty good, even with just front mount intakes. No T51R, no turbo inlets, just front mount intakes, and it sounds really good. But man, when I tell you this turbo inlet and T51R is gonna make this thing sound wicked, it's going to. You know how bad I am tempted to trade my ass in it for a G80? I've wanted a G80. Well, you can't lie. Ever since they came out, I was the first person to be like, oh yeah, this is the sexiest car. I remember when they came out with the pictures like of like the new design.
Yeah.
I was obsessed with it. Everybody hated the front grille. You hated it. You hated the front grille. Everybody did. Man, dude, I loved it from the beginning. From the beginning, I loved it. It's such a freaking sick car. Like, you can't lie. I think I also love like 4-door cars. Like, I'm a big fan of 4-door cars. I have crazy fun with the boys in the back. I mean, you can't even lie. Like, the interior of this car is,
yeah, I'm not gonna lie,
it's freaking gorgeous. Like, look, bro, we're in carbon bucket seats. You got this giant screen, beautiful. I mean, I'm pretty sure he put the steering wheel on, but still, like, just insane interior. I mean, it's sick. But anyways, let's get this thing inside and on the lift. both turbo inlets, and the first turbo inlet is right here. And since this car already has front mount intakes, it's pretty straightforward on getting to the front turbo inlet. All right, so this may not be your typical way of pulling this, but it worked for us. Since we're only doing the rear. There she blows.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
Memo's here. He starts school tomorrow, so he had to do some back to school shopping for the hus. But anyways, this is all in. This inlet down here is in. The turbo is in with the T51R mod. Yeah, I mean, progress is progress, right? We did discover that his intake pipe was sagging on the serpentine belt, which you can see here killed this belt. We'll be getting that, and also chopped away at this, as long as there's no leak. But we'll probably he's probably gonna end up replacing it, I call it. So yeah, but now time to put it all back together. But what do you think, Edgar? I mean, about the job itself, like, it wasn't too bad. It's just our first time since G80s. Like, we're not really, like, we don't really do G80s. We don't even do this. This is like randomly fucking here. But you know, our bread and butter is exotics. But it's all right. We know how to get done, man. Yeah, just take some time. You know, we're learning. But it's good. It's easy. It's not too bad. You know, just gotta take your time with it. All right, car is on the ground. We are about to do the first start on it. See if I'm thinking even just on startup, it should be a different. Ready? Yeah. As you can see, there's a wild Puerto Rican. All right, yesterday we did drive it. We tested it. It sounds absolutely wicked with the T51R mod and the turbo inlets. Right now, I just pulled the ECU. Me and Edgar just pulled it. We're gonna go ahead and ship this to Auto Tuner to get unlocked. And when he comes back, we're gonna be doing a stage 2 tune on it. So I am excited. I'll keep y'all updated as soon as we get the ECU back. Hello, motherfucker. It is a day later or some shit like that. G80 is still over there. We're waiting for the ECU to come back from Auto Tuner for getting unlocked. It actually said that it arrived today, so that's a good thing. But we have Darren's car back. And so, like I said in the very beginning of this video, I mentioned that we had done a couple cool cars, and this was one of them. We had did full test lights and exhaust. One day, we ended up busting ass to get it done because he wanted it done by a certain time back. We got it done, but I didn't get to film any of it. So, I'll give you a little sneak peek of everything we did, which was just the exhaust and test pipes, which was full catless, straight pipe basically all the way. It sounds phenomenal. What do you think? It sounds pretty good, right?
It sounds really good.
Yeah, it sounds super good. This exhaust 100% wakes up the Roboto. These cars are horrible stock. In my opinion, I think they have no noise. It's boring. Boring car. But with the full exhaust, definitely look it up. It sounds pretty fucking good. fast as shit. But today we are going to be doing a carbon kit. So we're doing carbon side skirts, and we're also doing this gigantic ass carbon front lip. So yeah, nice quality stuff because look how thick these carbon panels are. I mean, they're huge. So that being said, let's carry on. Oh look, tuning. They already shipped it back.
Damn.
Yes, sir. So that means they'll be back next same hour. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One day turnaround. Thank you, Auto Tuner USA. All right. Wow. Cut to the B-roll. Man, we get so sidetracked. It's unbelievable. But front lip, side skirts are on. God damn, that shit looks crazy. Insane. All right, ECU is here the next day. I already put it in, so didn't want to bore you of that. It's literally just underneath this panel, ECU gets plugged back in. But I believe we showed you is this thing had or has obviously front mount intakes, and the tab I guess was broken and it chewed up the belt. I don't know if you can see the belt right there, but let me see if I can get it focused here. It chewed up the belt. You can see it's missing like the front half of the belt right there. So Edgar just went to go get the new belt, and we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Other than that, this car for us is done. Look at those turbo inlets right there. Boom, one right there. Boom, another one right there. So yeah, as soon as he gets back, I'll record the process of us changing the belt. And once we do that, we will go on a test drive and give you how it sounds, because it sounds freaking crazy. It sounds so good. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you have a S58, or really any, I think it's like B50, S58, all of them, you need this, bro. Unless you're doing big single turbo, sure, I get it. But if you're just having fun, not, you know, just doing downpipe tune, do this, you'll have a lot more fun.
Alright guys, so Renee had already put the ECU back in the G80, as you can see right there. But earlier in the vlog you'll see it, but the serpentine belt is torn up. So we went to BMW, picked up a new one, and now I'm gonna take this off. So it's gonna be the first time, but it looks pretty easy. Take out this carbon bar, this air intake, and then you should see everything right there. I'll show you whenever all of that is off. Alright guys, so I had taken the old belt off and put the new belt on. Let me show you what it looks like. Here you go. One pulley, two pulley, air compressor. You see that right down there is power, water pump I mean. And then the crank is way underneath over there. It's really tight in here, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, get it done.
My fellow peoplations, as you see, Edgar did the serpentine belt. I was out.
What are you doing?
I went to the house. Anyways, yes, ECU's back in, new serpentine belt. At the moment, we zip tied this thing up as high as we could. Actually, Edgar, we should put a zip tie on this thing.
Oh yeah, to pick it up.
But I mean, he has a broken intake pipe. This is where the tab's supposed to go. It broke off, so it was rubbing against the serpentine belt, which is why we changed it. But we didn't tune it or anything. We just unlocked it with Auto Tuner. He said he's gonna get a tune. I don't remember what the name was, but. All right, first drive. Man, this car is so nice. I love this car. First of all, the color, right? The color is insane. When have you ever even seen this color on a G80? I personally haven't. And then second off, obviously the interior, man. Come on. Carbon buckets, Spider-Man spec. Spider-Man spec. All right, let's see what she does. In M mode, you can hear it way louder, right? God damn. Bro, it sounds way better, right?
Yeah.
M mode is what it was, bro. We didn't have it in M mode, and yeah, it was not very loud. But now it's, now she's purring. Bro, it sounds good, bro. I think it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
Like if you're not trying to go flex fuel and all this and make all this power and be scared that your motor might blow, whatever. It's like, you know, you can do downpipe, tune, 700 wheel horsepower, and get all the fun noises. You know what I mean? It's like, to me, it makes total sense.
Me too. Or you could do 30,000.
$30,000 exhaust? Yeah. As you can see, it definitely sounds really good, right? I mean, what do you think? It sounds pretty good. It sounds wicked. It was not loud enough because we weren't in M mode, my bad. But we are in M mode now. Now it sounds pretty good. Exactly how it was last night. Oh my God, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then he's gonna go ahead and do a flash tune. So he's gonna be making all the power and making all the noises. Let's do some standstill revs.
That is loud.
It sounds good.
Yeah.
It sounds fucking wicked. Big shout out to Antimatter Performance, G80 Joe. And then big shout out to obviously Daddy Turbo, C51 Armad. But that will do it for this video. I'm super happy to show you guys that we actually completed the vlog. But we have some cool other projects coming. And definitely have a badass project that it should be done next week, hopefully. And with that being said, boys and girls, peace and love, and we're out.